This is what the snow is like after our 4th snowstorm in 4 weeks. So I'm just, I don't know if you can see, that's our back fence. You can hardly see it anymore. So I'm going to go for a walk. Let's see how we go. Do I do a snow angel right in the middle?
I don't know if you're able to get back up, but...
Oh, that's no point.
So yes, I think you should.
Hi! I'm going to do a snow angel. It's probably my worst idea ever. I'm going to put my hood on so I don't get snow down my back.
You can see how high the snow is against the trees. It's up to where the leaves finish. Wrap the branches.
Ready? 1, 2. Is this a bad idea?
That's a fantastic idea.
To get this
1,
side.
2, 3. Aw, that's a bit disappointing. I was hoping to go a bit deeper.
Well, you can dig yourself down pretty easily.
Eh?
You should be able to dig yourself down pretty easily.
Oh, look! It's a branch. My hair.
Get up.
My hair's got deeper.
Just get it to take it over.
Are your feet actually on the ground, or are they like on
No,
compacted
they're
down
on snow.
Okay.
Can't get to reach the ground.
Alex? Hiya! Good, Alex. Good, Alex. You don't give a hoot. You're as happy as a little lamb. You're as happy as a little lamb.
Daddy's got Alex. Chase Mummy.
No, Mommy can't chase.
How deep are you going to go, Alex? How deep? 1, 2, 3.
You can do a snow angel, Baba. You're so happy.
Snow angel, okay? Snow angel.
Very good.
Good boy, Alex. Yeah, good boy.
Wow.
Can you see his Nana at the window? Say hi, Nana.
Hi.
Alex, come on.
You can get up. Awesome.
You can walk over here.
How much of his weight are you supporting? Oh God, I can't walk backwards. I'm stuck. I have to turn the camera off.
Whee! Whee! Ready? Whee!
Again.
Okay. Again? Again? Whee! Ready? Whee!
Again.
Okay. Again? Again? Whee! Again? Again or boom? So,
Boom.
boom. Again. Ah. Yeah. Boom. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Right? Whee! Boom. Whee!
Enough?
Must be having a great time with Starting for Life. He seems to be having fun.
Again.
Again.
Whee!
Enough?
Must be having a great time with Starting for Life. He seems to be having fun.
Again.
Again.
He's walking in the snow. Ah, you're gonna run away. Mommy's gonna chase you.